Welcome back to this video. If you have Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see all dangerous apps that are spying on your messages, calls, and the likes on your Android phone. Quite a lot number of people does not really know that not every app you download on Google Play Store are fully secure in terms of your privacy, and not every app you download from APK or any source to your Android phone are fully secure and protect your privacy. This is because most of these apps you will be forced to give them the permission to your details such as contact, camera, and all the live privacy of your Android phone. You will give them a permission. As a result of that, your privacy has been spied on and you are not fully secure. In this video, I'm going to simply show you all the hidden apps that are spying on you right now on your Android phone without any threat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on my phone settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on apps and notifications. The next thing you need to do is to go to permission manager. So it's going to take you right here. These are all apps that have access to some of your SMS, your storage, your microphone, your location, your contact and camera, and your call logs. You have about 7 apps right here. Calendar, about 11 apps. This is depends on your phone, but this phone right here, these are the actual access they have on my phone. Now, let's take a look at location. So if you click on location, you see all apps that have access to your location. And as a result of that, not every app actually good to have access to your privacy life. So what you need to do right here is to simply scroll down and then you review some of them that have access to your information right here. Like this particular app right here. So simply click on it. Allow only while using the app. So you can simply click on deny right here. Then you can simply go back. So you can review as many as possible app right here to remove from having access to your privacy life as far as location is concerned. So let's simply go back to permission manager again. And then what we need to do here is to simply go to your camera section. So let's see some hidden apps that have access to your camera privacy life. So it's going to load up. So allow it to load, then we see them one after the other and we review. Then we can simply remove anyone that is not actually have the right to have access to our phone camera right here. So as you can see right here, these are apps that have access to your camera. You can scroll down and then review them one after the other. Okay, so just like what you see right here, this my app right here. So you can simply click on any one of them right here. Like my phone book right here, I'm going to simply click on it and I'm going to deny it. If you deny this permission, this feature of your device may no longer function as intended. Simply click on deny. It is of no use that core section have access to your camera. You can go on and review some of the apps that have access to your privacy life right here in Android phone. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.